Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Moderating Your Group. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to keep your group clean. Let's get started. Your Facebook group should have posts that are relevant to your brand's niche. It should be free from spam posts, lurking users who are not active on your group, free from duplicate profiles, or Facebook accounts that are not real people. In addition, it must be free from violators of your group rules. One way to keep your group clean is to remove inactive users. If you have thousands of group members, there will be content shared that is not allowed inside your group. Inactive members can be viewed under the Members tab, then scroll down the list and look for the unavailable users. It will be best to remove these users from your group members list. The list of Facebook users under the unavailable users may have deactivated their account or blocked an admin. These members are still counted in your total number of group members, but they won't be relevant to your group if they are not active at all, so it will be best to remove them. Next, remove non-relevant posts. As a group admin or moderator, you must keep your discussions relevant and helpful to your community. Your group members might share content where they are promoting links, or share content that violates your group rules. Choose the post that is not relevant to your group, then click on the three dots and look for the Delete Post option. A pop-up will show you a confirmation if you want to delete the post. Then click on the Delete button. Once the post is deleted, all the comments under that post will also be deleted, and it will no longer be found under your Facebook group. Next, moderate user comments. Harmful comments should not be allowed inside your group. It can affect the harmony in your Facebook group once you don't filter out the harmful or offensive comments inside your community. Your group members visit your group to view important and relevant posts, announcements, and discuss topics with the other group members. It is best to hide harmful or offensive comments instead of deleting those comments. Those users who send out these comments might get angry when you delete their comments, and it cannot be good for your brand. So instead of deleting those comments, it will be safe to hide them. You can set up the moderation alerts in your Facebook group to let you know when the posts or comments are getting a certain number of comments or reactions that are based on the criteria that you have set. Go to your group's admin tools, then click on the Moderation Alerts and click Edit Alerts. You can set moderation alerts for keywords and engagement. You may use keyword alerts to add keyword phrases that you don't allow inside your group. Next, for engagement, you can check when the posts or comments in your group are getting a big response. Click the Create button in this section. Step 1 is to set what kind of content do you want to receive alerts about. Options are posts and comments. If you choose posts, you can set what kind of engagements with posts that you can receive alerts from. Options are comments, all reactions, likes, love, care, laugh, wow, sad, or angry. And these are all the reactions that you can find under every post or comment. You will see another text box to set an amount. The amount is how many comments in a 1-hour period should prompt an alert. Click Save, and the criteria that you have set will be shown under the Moderation Alerts Engagement section. You can see here that it will get alerts for posts that get 5 comments. You can edit the alert and update it, or you can delete the engagement alert that you have set. To create a post alert for all reactions, you can set the number of reactions in a 1-hour period that should prompt an alert. You will see that Facebook will show you the recommended number of reactions for your group based on your group size and activity. Facebook groups can easily turn into having discussions with spam content. You have to make sure that your group admin and moderators will take the time to check all content shared inside your group are all relevant. Now that you know about how to keep your group clean, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to ban or put members on moderation. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.